In this video, I'm going to show you the practical and spiritual amethyst stone benefits as well, and how this beautiful stone can help us with a divine connection. Hi, my name is Gisela and I am a certified Reiki Master and Crystal Reiki, and today I'm gonna share with you all about amethyst, an special crystal that I use in my daily practices. And it has been used as healing and spiritual tool for centuries for its many properties that they have. Stay tuned for a mind-blowing experience with one of the most powerful crystals on earth. Amethyst is a powerful, extremely powerful stone that provides us protection and purification with the highest spiritual vibration. This stone protects us for psychic attack. Understanding psychic attack is a negative energy that someone sends us with intentions oversaid or conscious or unconscious in a form of thoughts, negative thoughts, and that somehow affects our energy. And this stone, it will protect us. Amethyst blocks geopathic stress. Geopathic stress is a general term for energy that emanates from earth that causes discomfort or negative energy in our environment. Amethyst, it helps to create peaceful, harmonious, and calm environment. It's recommended to use on your workplace. More it is open floor. It's really recommended since you receive all kind of energy surrounding, and it's also good keep one at home. This beautiful stone facilitates high state of consciousness and meditation. It's considered a really strong crystal for healing and cleansing, and also it helps for spiritual awareness. This stone facilitates the decision-making process and bring common sense and spiritual insights. This stone is helpful when insomnia caused by overactive mind. Also protect you of recurring nightmares. Amethyst enhance memory and improve motivation, and making you more able to set realistic goals. Amethyst can help you to remember and understand dreams and facilitate the visualization process. This stone also supports you with sadness and grief, and also it helps you to come to terms with loss. It also calms the mind and body, reducing stress and anxiety. Amethyst can be combined with any kind of crystal quartz. It can be citrine, smoky quartz, even tiger eye. That, by the way, I have a video for tiger eye. It's gonna show here. So if you're interested, you can go ahead and watch the video after this. And also, it's recommended to have amethyst and polish just like that, close to other of your crystals, because it will recharge them. So it's an awesome tool for the rest of your crystals. Amethyst, it works with the highest frequencies of the last three chakras. It will be the third eye, the crown, and the etheric chakra. Oh, if you're interested in evaluate yourself, your chakras to see what is the status, which one you wanted to work on, please go to the description box, click on the link, and you can download my quick guide that can help you to self-evaluate your chakras. Amethyst helps or support us to consciousness begin by slowing our thoughts down, allow us to have random ideas into focus and bringing focus to a subject, only one subject at a time. We, we start with one subject and we end, and then we space and we start with the next. In other words, amethyst organize our minds, and the gap between one thought to another thought, that gap is serenity. And when the serenity takes place, our minds are free of thoughts. It quiets our mind and it makes us fully present. And when we are fully present and our minds are in serenity, is when the connection happens. And the connection is with your higher self and your soul. The light that your soul sends to you is the primary benefit. And that is what we call divine connection. And then you have it. Why this stone is called the stone of the divine connection. Let me know in the comment section if you find this video helpful or if you learned something new today. Also, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, or if you are new here, please subscribe and check my other videos. Let's see how you like it. And thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye for now.